The Barreto Manufacturing heavy-duty full-size tillers are strong additions to the lineup of high-quality Barreto equipment. This tiller is available with 3 power options: a Honda GX390, as well as 14 and 16 horsepower Briggs Vanguard engines. These tillers feature a low-maintenance and highly efficient all-hydraulic design, and the marked grease points and hydraulics are easily accessed for maintenance and repair. And moving the equipment around is easy. The tillers have freewheeling hubs that the operator can unlock to transport the tiller without starting the engine. The size of the tillers is compact and not intimidating for the first-time user. And like all Barreto manufacturing equipment, the tillers are safe to operate and the simple controls are easy to learn. One handle sets the tine drive and one handle adjusts the wheel drive. The size and design of this tiller allows it to work where others can't. And the heavy design means your tiller works for you instead of tossing you around. And the wheel drive and tine drive work independently of each other to allow your tilling travel speed to be adjusted to fit the soil conditions. The open design allows for easy access to the hydraulics when performing maintenance or repairing the tiller. Well made and constructed of quality materials, all 3 models of tillers are among the most durable pieces of Barreto equipment. They are the perfect addition to a rental inventory or purchase by a landscaping contractor. Because there are no belts, no chains or gears, and moving parts are protected by shields and plates, and pressure relief valves prevent damage when tines are blocked. These tillers rarely break down, are easy to maintain, and keep in the field. By choosing the Barreto Manufacturing tillers with their all-hydraulic design, you'll increase your utilization and minimize your maintenance costs, improving on your bottom line. The tillers are also easy to tow to the job site behind any vehicle using the Barreto 3x4 TBT trailer, which was designed specifically for the Barreto tillers, featuring an all-steel frame and a quick connect bracket for the bumper of your tiller. Manufactured in the remote mountain community of La Grande, Oregon, the Barreto Manufacturing tillers are proudly made in America by professionals that take pride in making the highest quality equipment. From laser cutting the parts out of American steel to the welding, powder coating, and final assembly, Barreto's professional staff makes every piece of equipment and tests it before loading it on a truck for delivery. Barreto Manufacturing is a company that stands behind its brand as one of the innovators in tree service and landscaping equipment.